Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're just stepping into the incredible world of affiliate marketing, I want to give you a massive welcome. It's a space filled with so much potential, but let's be real, it's not always a walk in the park. I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed, to stare at your analytics wondering why the clicks aren't converting, or to feel like you're just shouting into the void. You're not alone in facing these hurdles. Many of us have been there, trying to connect all the dots from traffic and content to conversions and commissions. The great news is that every single one of these common challenges isn't a dead end. It's actually a hidden door. Behind each problem that affiliate marketers face, there's a powerful business opportunity waiting for someone like you to step in and provide a solution. It's about shifting your mindset from just being an affiliate to becoming a problem solver for other affiliates. This is where you can truly build something sustainable, something that not only generates income but also creates genuine value for a community you care about. That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. I want to pull back the curtain and show you how you can turn these common pain points into profitable ventures. We're not just talking about theory here, we're talking about actionable strategies you can start building on right away. So grab a notebook, because today, we'll cover 6 powerful opportunities you can develop to solve these problems and boost your affiliate marketing journey. Let's get into it. So let's kick things off with one of the biggest mountains every affiliate marketer has to climb: search engine optimization, or SEO. We all know that organic traffic from Google is like gold. It's free, it's targeted, and it can be incredibly consistent. But for a beginner, SEO can feel like trying to learn a new language overnight. Keywords, backlinks, domain authority, technical SEO, it's a lot to take in. And the fear of getting it wrong and getting penalized by Google is very real. This confusion and fear is your first major opportunity. Imagine becoming the go-to person who demystifies SEO for fellow affiliate marketers. You could create an online course that breaks down the fundamentals in a simple, step-by-step way. Think about it. A module on keyword research using a tool like SEMrush, another on on-page optimization, and a third on building quality backlinks without resorting to spammy tactics. You could host live interactive workshops where you walk a small group through a site audit, showing them exactly what to fix and how. This hands-on approach is so valuable because people are not just learning theory, they're seeing it applied in real time. Beyond courses and workshops, think about the power of one-on-one coaching. An affiliate marketer might be struggling with a specific niche or a particular technical issue on their WordPress site. You could offer personalized coaching calls where you dive deep into their specific challenges. You can use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to pull up their data, share your screen, and give them a concrete action plan. You're not just selling information, you're selling clarity, confidence, and a clear path to results. You become their trusted guide, helping them navigate the complex world of SEO and finally start seeing that beautiful, consistent, organic traffic roll in. This isn't just about teaching them how to use a tool, it's about teaching them the strategy behind the tool. For example, you could show them how to use Ahrefs content gap analysis to find keywords their competitors are ranking for that they've missed, or how to use SEMrush's site audit tool to find and fix critical errors that are holding their site back. By positioning yourself as an expert coach, you're solving a massive, persistent problem and building a business based on providing immense value. Alright, opportunity number 2 is all about the lifeblood of any affiliate site: content. We've all heard the phrase content is king, but what does that really mean? It means creating blog posts, reviews, and videos that don't just attract visitors, but actually build trust and persuade them to take action. The problem is, many affiliates are not natural-born writers or content creators. They might be great at the technical side of things, but they struggle to produce high-quality, engaging content consistently. They spend hours staring at a blank page, and that's where you come in. You can establish a specialized content creation service specifically for affiliate marketers. This isn't just about churning out generic articles, it's about understanding the affiliate's niche, their target audience, and the products they're promoting. You could offer services like writing in-depth product reviews, ultimate how-to guides, or compelling comparison posts that help readers make a purchasing decision. Imagine offering a package where you not only write the blog post, but also create custom graphics or a short summary video to go with it. You're saving them time and delivering a polished, professional asset that's ready to rank and convert. To make this a sustainable business, think about a subscription model. For a monthly fee, an affiliate marketer could receive a set number of high-quality blog posts taking content creation completely off their plate so they can focus on other parts of their business. This provides you with recurring revenue and them with peace of mind. You could even use a tool like BuzzSumo to identify trending topics in their niche, ensuring the content you create is always relevant and has a high potential for social shares and backlinks. You're not just a writer, you're a content strategist. Furthermore, you can empower others to create their own great content by hosting webinars or creating a mini course. A webinar titled "How to Write Affiliate Reviews That Actually Sell" could be hugely popular. In it, you could break down your process for structuring a review, building trust, using persuasive language, and incorporating affiliate links naturally. You can show them how to use tools to find what questions their audience is asking, so they can create content that directly answers those questions. You're solving the massive problem of writer's block and inconsistency, either by doing the work for them or by teaching them how to do it themselves. Let's move on to our third opportunity, and it's a big one: building sales funnels. A lot of affiliate marketers make the classic mistake of sending traffic directly to a sales page. They run an ad or write a blog post and just drop a raw affiliate link, hoping for the best. This approach leaves so much money on the table. A well-designed sales funnel, on the other hand, guides a potential customer through a journey, building value and trust at every step before asking for the sale. The problem is, building these funnels can seem incredibly technical and complex. This is your chance to become a funnel building consultant. You can specialize in helping affiliate marketers design and optimize their sales funnels to maximize conversions. This could start with a simple lead magnet, like a free ebook or checklist, to capture an email address. From there, you'd help them build out an email sequence that nurtures the lead, provides more value, and then strategically introduces the affiliate offer. You're not just building pages, you're architecting a customer journey that turns cold traffic into loyal customers and repeat buyers. To make your services more accessible, you could create and sell pre-built funnel templates. Imagine offering a book review funnel template or a software tutorial funnel template built on a platform like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. An affiliate could purchase your template, import it into their account with one click, and simply customize the text and images. You're saving them dozens of hours of design and technical setup, providing a proven framework they can deploy immediately. This is a fantastic way to create a product that you can sell over and over again. And just like with our other opportunities, education is key. You could run workshops on the fundamentals of funnel building, teach the psychology behind a high-converting landing page, the importance of a compelling lead magnet, and the basics of A/B testing. You can show them how to use the A/B testing feature within ClickFunnels to test different headlines, images, or calls to action to see what resonates most with their audience. By doing this, you're not just a consultant. You're an educator who empowers other marketers with the skills to dramatically increase their affiliate income. Opportunity number 4 is for those of you who are a bit more tech-savvy or are great at seeing gaps in the market. It's all about affiliate program management software. Now think about this from the other side for a moment. Many successful affiliate marketers eventually create their own products, and when they do, they need a reliable system to manage their own affiliates. They need a way to track clicks, manage commissions, provide marketing materials, and pay their partners on time. This is a huge technical headache that most product creators don't want to deal with. Here's where the opportunity lies. You could develop your own affiliate management software. Now I know that sounds like a massive undertaking, and it can be. But if you have the skills or can partner with a developer, you could create a streamlined, user-friendly platform that solves these specific pain points. But there's an even more accessible path. You could become a reseller or a certified partner for an existing software solution, like Affiliate WP for WordPress or Tapfiliate. You would be the expert who helps people get it all set up. Think about the services you could offer around this. You could have a done-for-you affiliate program setup service. A new course creator or author could hire you and you would handle everything, installing and configuring the software, setting up the commission structure, creating the affiliate dashboard, and even writing the swipe copy and creating the banners their affiliates will use. You are taking a massive technical and administrative burden off their shoulders, allowing them to focus on their product and their business. This service is incredibly valuable. Beyond the setup, you can build a whole business around support and education. You could create detailed video tutorials showing people how to get the most out of their affiliate management software. You could build a private support community like a Facebook group or a Slack channel for your clients. In this community, they could ask questions, share best practices, and connect with other product owners. You're not just selling or setting up software, you're building an ecosystem that supports their success, ensuring they and their affiliates thrive. This turns a one-time setup fee into a long-term relationship. Let's talk about opportunity number 5, which revolves around what I believe is the single most important asset for any online business, the email list. So many affiliate marketers focus all their energy on getting traffic to their site, but they fail to capture that traffic. A visitor comes, reads a post, and leaves, maybe forever. An email list allows you to build a direct relationship with your audience, communicate with them anytime you want, and promote offers without being at the mercy of Google's or Facebook's algorithms. The problem is, setting up and managing an effective email marketing system can be daunting. This is where you can step in as an email marketing automation specialist. You can offer a service where you help fellow affiliate marketers set up their entire email system using a platform like ConvertKit, MailerLite, or ActiveCampaign. This would include creating sign-up forms and landing pages, integrating the service with their website, and creating the all-important welcome sequence. That first series of emails is critical for building rapport and setting expectations with a new subscriber. You'd be handling all the technical details that often stop people from even getting started. To scale this idea, you can create and sell packages of pre-built automation sequences. For example, you could sell a 5-day affiliate product launch sequence or a long-term nurture sequence for blog subscribers. A marketer could buy your package, import it into their ConvertKit account, and just fill in the blanks with their specific content and affiliate links. You're providing them with a proven strategy and saving them an enormous amount of time and effort. This is a productized service that offers incredible value. And of course, there's a huge opportunity for education. You could run a workshop focused on building and engaging your first 1,000 subscribers. In this training, you could teach the strategy behind creating irresistible lead magnets, writing emails that people actually open and read, and segmenting a list to send more targeted, relevant offers. You can show them how to analyze their open rates and click-through rates in ConvertKit to understand what's working. You're solving the problem of I don't know what to send my list and helping affiliates build their most valuable long-term business asset. Finally, we've arrived at our 6th opportunity, and it's one that's very close to my heart, building an online community. Affiliate marketing can be a lonely journey. You're often working by yourself, from home, facing challenges and trying to figure everything out on your own. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't have anyone to share your wins with, ask for advice, or just vent to when things get tough. This deep-seated need for connection and support is a powerful opportunity. You can be the one who brings affiliate marketers together. You could create a dedicated online community, perhaps using a platform like Circle.so, Mighty Networks, or even a well-organized Discord server or private Facebook group. This wouldn't just be a place for random chatter, it would be a structured environment for learning and growth. You could have specific channels for different topics like SEO, content creation, email marketing, and niche selection. The goal is to create a safe and supportive space where people can connect, collaborate, and help each other succeed. To make the community even more valuable, you can organize exclusive events for your members. Think about hosting monthly virtual meetups or mastermind calls where a small group of members can get together on Zoom to share what they're working on and get direct feedback. You could also host Ask Me Anything sessions with successful affiliate marketers or industry experts. These events create a sense of belonging and provide a level of access and insight that people can't get anywhere else. You're building a true home for them. You can monetize this community through tiered memberships. A free tier might offer basic access to the main discussion forums. A paid premium tier could unlock exclusive content, access to all the virtual events, a library of resources like templates and checklists, and maybe even direct access to you for Quanda. This model provides you with predictable, recurring revenue while giving your most dedicated members a clear path to deeper engagement and value. You're not just building a business, you're building a movement and solving the profound problem of isolation. Wow, we just covered a ton of ground, from becoming an SEO coach and content creator to a funnel builder and community leader. We've looked at 6 incredible business opportunities that all stem from one simple idea: solving the real problems that affiliate marketers face every single day. The path to building a truly successful and sustainable business isn't just about promoting other people's products, it's about creating your own value and serving a community. The best part is, you don't need to do all of these. You just need to find the one that resonates most with you. So, I want you to think about it. Which of these challenges have you personally faced? Which solution gets you the most excited? The key is to pick one, just one, and start taking the first small step. Maybe it's outlining a mini course on SEO or drafting your first content service package. Don't let yourself get overwhelmed by all the possibilities. Choose the one path that aligns with your skills and passions, and begin your journey of becoming a problem solver for this amazing community of affiliate marketers. I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which one of these 6 opportunities you're most excited to try. I read every single comment and I'm genuinely curious to see what you're planning to build. And hey, if you found this video helpful and want more beginner-friendly marketing tips and strategies just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.